have everything. Everything that money can buy. A house, cars, you name it. But one thing is missing. 7 months gone and no man has looked at me in admiration. It's like I don't exist. Maybe I do not exist. Maybe I am my own problem. Perhaps I'm too rigid. I need to loosen up. I need to loosen up. I'm a woman. A beautiful woman.
You're wearing it without my consent.
I'm sorry. You know I'm going for an interview today. Besides, all my clothes are worn out. Huh?
So? I don't understand. Make I use empty body to go work.
Now. Why are you talking like this? You have plenty of them inside the wardrobe. Choose one of them. When I come back, I'll wash this one and keep for you now.
All these your plenty stories all the time. You should know that me myself with the city also. I not get.
I'm sorry now. I'm sorry, I beg.
You better wash it all.
Yes, I will. I will wash it. I was expecting you to wish me luck now. Huh? Wish me luck. I'm going for an interview. I need this job. If I get this job now, I can buy plenty things for you. You're my guy now.
It's okay. It's okay. Anyway, good luck.
So, my guy.
Good luck.
I'm trying to boss this thing so I can get all the money I have saved.
We hear you talk now, go feel someone better money this side. Let me just check one of these things in the world.
Alright now. Thanks, man. Oh, finish. Buchi?
Why didn't you fill the car yesterday after using it? It's not fair.
Julie, I am really sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's not a plug. It's fuel. It was in reserve when I left the house this morning. And now I am stranded. I hate to be upset. I just hate getting angry in the morning.
Okay then. Okay.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
What's wrong with your car?
I'm out of fuel.
Oh, well, you can take a cab and get yourself fuel from one of the police stations around.
That is the problem. I have important documents in the car and the key is bad.
You know what? I'll see what I can do. Okay? Do you have a gallon in the car?
Yes.
I'll be right back.
Hello, Jumoke. I told you I'm on my way. Just get a data of those who came for the interview and clean up my office. Oh.
Yes, I'm back, madam.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you have a funnel?
Yes, I have it. It's in the trunk.
Bring it.
Thank you.
At least now you can catch up with your appointments.
Yes. Let me give you my card, so give me a call.
Oh, your card. Fine. No problem.
Here, please. Hello.
Oh, your card. I will definitely call you.
Please do.
Yes.
Excuse me. Are you alright?
Oh yes, yes. I'm fine. I have a bike man waiting for me. Okay. You can go ahead with your appointments. I don't want to stress you.
I am serious. I can give you a lift.
No, I'm fine. Seriously, I'm fine. Okay.
Thank you. Please do give me a call.
Of course, I will call you.
Thank you so much.
You're
You're a
welcome.
lifesaver.
Oh yes, yes, I am.
I hope no wahala. Now wetin dey happen now?
There's a little problem, oh.
Perhaps the problem not affect my money.
That's what I'm talking about now. You see, I think you have to just take me back to the house. Let me get money and pay you.
Take you back to the house.
Yes.
I
I don't know what happened to the money I had in my pocket. I think it fell off. So it's better we just go back to the house and then I'll...
Give me my money. Give me my money. Wait, can't we go where woman there they show yourself anyhow? You say I call a complaint.
Oh, it hasn't gotten to that now.
Which I'm saying about
You're embarrassing me. I'm going for a job interview for Christ's sake.
oh, you are going for a job interview. You know that skin no food, now you didn't talk that. It's a call Lagos complaint. Give me my money.
Oga, hold on now.
Hold on, wait.
I'll give you the money. Just take me back to the house and let me get a fresh cash and give to you.
Not give me my money. I need my money now. I know they carry the go anywhere. Give me my money.
Okay, no.
My boy, go look at him, oh.
Oga,
You can go look at him.
Oga, please, I'm sorry. Just take me to the house, please. I beg you.
I can't take you to house. Give me my money.
Oga,
Give me my money.
I promise you, I'll give you money. I have money in
Which
the house.
which can wish be this one now? This
Oga, we're blocking the way. I'll give you money.
give me my money, I beg. You know, say skin no food, then talk that.
You're embarrassing me.
You're blocking the road. You're blocking the road. What? You're blocking the road. What?
Don't they tell me make I leave. Madam, make I explain what happened. This man where this boy a very wicked person. I carry him, I use my money to go buy gallon. We go police station, buy fuel finish. I carry him, waka go one place again. Waka come here now, you tell me say money lost. Which can talk with that
It's
one?
not like that. I don't
When you show yourself where woman dey, you know say no money.
I just want to go back to the house and
How
get
much
some money.
is the money?
1,200 naira.
You're blocking the road.
Go see. Open kale wa give you if en keta ji nsi eme.
Thank you very much.
You need to be more careful next time.
I was on my way to job interview.
Your job interview is very important, bro.
Yes, it is. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I hope that helps.
Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you. you remember me? I was the one that came the other day.
I don't remember you, but wait, are you here for the interview?
No, I'm here to submit my proposal.
Well, the screening is over, and I'm instructed not to allow anyone come.
But I'm just here to submit my proposal, that's all.
Is the GM aware you are coming?
Yes.
Let me have your file.
Okay.
Is this all? Yes. Okay. Prepare the proposal for demo oil and gas. Immediately. Right away.
Okay, madam.
You're here for the evening.
Yes.
One day. That's 9 o'clock already.
I'm sorry about that. Something happened on my way down.
Well, today's the evening.
I don't understand.
Oh, please, Julie. How can a grown-up man like you miss his future? See that the hardship in this country is not affecting you in any way. Let's see.
Madam, I just told you something happened on my way down. I don't, it doesn't give you the right to insult me.
Please go. The interview is over. On the interview. Go.
What's the noise for?
Madam, no one to people. He just came and insisted he must go in for the interview. Can you imagine?
I have told you to stop addressing people as stupid.
Sorry, madam.
Go and call him.
This one, it looks like you lost the match. Is everything okay?
My brother, today has been very bad. Very bad.
See, our madam is a confused woman. She can still call you back, just relax. She can call you back. Understand?
Hey. What's that your name again? Mr. Leslie is here.
Madam, please don't call me that name. Not lazy. Don't call me that name again, please.
Oh, tell me some talk. You want to shout back at me? Okay, fine. You can leave. Security. Which man? Go! Rubbish.
No.
Feeling relieved. He's a charming woman. I think I like him. A lot. But we'll meet again. We'll certainly meet again.
I met an angel today. It had been a very terrible day for me, if not for him. He helped me get fuel and made sure I was okay before he left.
Thank God for him. May God bless him.
Yeah. Honestly, I wish to see him again. He's such a nice man.
Okay, okay. Now this is always the look on your face when you see your spec. Tell me more about him.
Should I say he's my spec? That I don't know. But he is so good looking and soft spoken.
That's what I want to hear. Soft spoken. Yes, I know you have a thing for soft spoken guys. So did you collect his number?
No. But I gave him my card.
Why? I mean, you should have collected his number to say thank you for everything, blah blah. What's his name?
Oops. I didn't ask him.
Oh my God.
I was in a hurry.
You should have. At least, sweetheart, you need a man in your life.
Wait. You say? That I need a man? What about you? So you don't need a man?
I do, but at least I dated recently. It's over a year now, you haven't even seen a man. You need a man in your life.
Finish me.
I mean, it's all over you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I live like 2 poles away from this place.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get the job the other time?
I didn't get the job. I lost it.
That's sad.
Well, I would have gotten the job if I was interviewed. It's just that the receptionist sent me away.
The receptionist sent you away.
Yeah, I don't know. She just hates me.
That's sad. What company is that?
Mayrose. A very fine company down. I've forgotten the streets.
Mayrose.
Yes, ma'am.
My dad is actually friends with the owner. I could ask him to put in a word for you.
Really?
Do you have your CV here?
Oh, that was so kind of you. I don't have it there. It's in the house.
And your house is not far from here, is it?
No, it's not far from
Alright,
here.
get in.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Sorry for keeping you waiting. I had to walk all the way down here.
Don't worry. Nice scent.
Thank you very much, my flatmates.
Okay. It's nothing. It's fine. Yes, so about the job. I have good news. Unfortunately or fortunately, the receptionist is going to get punished. But my dad says you can have the job. You give this to the manager.
Okay.
And give this to the receptionist.
Thank you very much, ma.
It's nothing.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Amen.
God bless you. Thank you very
Sure.
much.
No,
Yes.
wait, no. Sit down.
I'm sorry, I'm so excited.
Say no, but the job is yours, so you don't have to hurry away.
Yes, I know. Thank you so much.
Why don't you drink with me? Just talk, nothing more.
Drink.
The job is yours. You don't have to hurry. All you have to do is go back to the company, give that to the manager, that to the receptionist, and then you resume.
Yes. I give this to the receptionist, then this to the manager, and then I pass that one. Thank you.
So we can have a drink.
Okay, fine.
Thank you very much, ma. God bless you. God bless you. Yes! Thank you.
Yes, so the drink.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning. I'm out of fuel.
Oh, well, you can take a cab and get yourself fuel from one of the filling stations around.
That is the problem. I have important documents in the car and the key is bad.
You know what? I'll see what I can do. Okay? Do you have a gallon in the car?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Why can't I get him off my mind? Who is he that he keeps crossing my mind?
So, tell me about yourself.
I don't have a son.
What?
Yes. A man who has no job and money has no son.
Are you serious? Why would you be so harsh like that on yourself? That's not a yardstick for anything. I mean, fame or money is never a yardstick to describe someone's personality or to measure someone's personality.
I'm sorry if that upsets you.
I'm not upset. I just feel that life is one step at a time. And those things don't matter at all.
Thank you very much for your kind words.
You're welcome. And hey, I was going to also help out with some money so you could get some new clothes for your new job.
But you've done so much already. I'm fine.
It's nothing, really. I'm certain you need help when it comes to that aspect because it's a new job. Besides, we're friends, right?
Yes, my friends. Thank you very much.
It's nothing. Really, just go on.
Good afternoon, mother.
Why are you here?
I'm here to see the manager.
Do you have an appointment with her?
No, but I'm sure she'll be here soon.
Can you hear yourself speak? Are you even sure you're even a graduate? Because sometimes I wonder why you so-called graduates behave like lunatics.
Why you always mad? Is it in your blood or you're just angry at me?
Good question. Yes, I have a problem with you. In fact, I have a problem with guys who does not have decorum.
It's alright, well, this letter here is for you.
From who?
Open it yourself and find out.
I am not going to touch this letter unless you tell me who brought it.
This is for the manager. Alright?
Take this nonsense out of my sight. Alright? You come when you have an appointment with the manager, not when you're here with recommendation from your past.
It's alright, I'll leave this one.
Come and take this letter. Jesus! Oh my goodness! Hey! 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 Jesus! You okay? Hey! Ma? Madam, I don't die. What is it? Why are you shouting? Madam, I am finished. I've been sacked. Sacked? Yes, madam. By who? Madam has sacked me. What brought him? It is that guy that missed his interview the other day. Where is he? He just left. He just left? Yes, madam. Where is the man? Where is the man?
He's not here, that means he's gone.
Which way did he go to?
How would I know?
Please, let's go and see the manager now. It's their job.
Don't worry,
Wants to see you.
I'll see her tomorrow.
Please, boss, please, my brother, please. Please, let's go and see her. Let me hold your hand. Yes. Okay, I missed it.
Thank you.
Madam, isn't me a baby? Okay, excuse us. Excuse us, go. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy to see you. Once again, I am so sorry about yesterday. I didn't know it was you. Although I came out to look for the person and the person was long gone.
It's alright, it's fine.
Let me have a look. Oh, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
This goes a long way to show that what goes around definitely comes around. Thank you so much for yesterday.
You're welcome.
You really saved my life.
Glad I did.
So tell me, are you related to the MD?
Not really, I don't know MDs. For someone who's related to the family.
Oh, I see. That's okay. Let me take a deep look at this.
Alright.
That's really brilliant.
Yes, I am. I'm sorry, can I ask one favor?
Yeah, sure.
Can I take you out for a drink tonight? If you don't mind.
That wouldn't be a problem. I'll give you a call after work.
Okay.
Let me have your number.
Thank you.
There's nothing wrong with that. Okay, I'll give you a call.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Would you like to have something? I have water in my fridge.
Okay. Yes. Buchi, I had a very wonderful day. Ah, I met that girl I helped buy for the other day. Do you know who she is?
Who is she?
She's the manager of my new company. Yes. As a matter of fact, we went out this evening, we had dinner, and then my brother, that girl is sharp. I'm tripping. The girl is hot. Hi!
Please, my brother, calm down. You have to be very careful. You just said she's your manager.
Ah, that makes it easier for me now. Since she's my manager, if I win her heart over, I might become the director now. What? Are you not sharp? Use your...
My brother, they calm down. They calm down. Eh? Can I ask you a question?
Mm-hmm.
How are you so sure she's not in a relationship?
You see, you don't understand me now. I had a personal discussion with this girl. And then she told me that for the past 1 year, she has not been in any relationship. Are you not seeing it there? Are you not thinking? That's the green light now.
Okay, fine. Mika, let me just agree to what you're saying now. But have you wondered if that girl that helped you with this job now, have you asked her if she's in love with you?
In love with me? How can she be? You have a point there. Yes, you have a point there, but the way she was looking at me today, she also gave me some cash. Yes.
I said it. See, my brother, let me tell you, it is very difficult in this our present country. It is hard to see a woman who will do such a favor without no strings attached.
Well, if you ask me, it's to my own advantage. As far as the money's coming, I'm game.
So finally now it's just your own money. You will not share with me. Only singular. Now I wonder if you reach this stage for life.
And where are you headed with that talk?
See where the head they go, you supposed share the money. Now me and you dey stay house.
No, bro, you'll get accidents here. Just turn your car and head some other way. Advise you. You're just advising me about something, and now you want to be part of it.
You don't use your church man give me 4,000. They go break now. They must break.
Oh, girl! Guess what?
What is this? Oh, yes. Help me, please.
Guess who I saw today?
Who? Yes, now.
Tell me now, who?
Friends. Who's friends? Oh, come on, girl. The guy I told you who helped me my car off well. Oh, when did you meet him?
Well, the MD sent me to the office today with a letter.
But guess what?
The guy's sense of humor is top notch.
I almost got choked while laughing. Okay. Finally. And this seems to be a good news. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Because every day you have to be saying in the office.
So why are you sounding naughty already?
I'm sorry, my love.
Girl, I'm so happy! And that's not all. This guy has first class in marketing. Very brilliant.
Okay. Because this is exactly what you said about Bobby.
Jeez.
Okay, now tell me what you are in. His height, broad shoulders, pink lips, color. You know, I know what's
Okay, so I get to meet him soon.
If you say so.
But we should pop champagne on this.
Get the champagne and listen.
We've got a lot to talk about.
Dear Julie, it has been awesome knowing you this past weeks. I'm not the kind of man that falls in love easily, but because I know I'm in love with you. And this is my own reassurance. It's just my second week here. It doesn't matter. It's love we're talking about. Yes. I know I love her. I know I love her so much. You like it?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
How did you know I love flowers?
Instinct, I guess.
Thank you so much. I mean, yesterday you got me a wrist bangle. Today, flowers. Very beautiful flowers.
You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. I just hope this makes your day.
Sure, it will. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, tell me, have you started working on the budget for the commission?
Oh, that. I'm done. Done already.
Okay. What about the proposal for FMC?
That one is done too. The review for last week, done and sent out already.
What is it?
And the quotation for the Ministry of Agriculture, done and sent out too.
You know, you are really making this job easier for me. Thank you.
You're welcome. And hey, I'd like you to take a look at this.
How did you come about this? Damn it! You are a genius!
Thank you.
Did you know how long we've been working on this? Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Goodness me! We've been trying to solve this for a long time now.
Well, it was simple. Very simple, actually.
Thank you.
Oh goodness. You don't know how happy I am that you are here. You know what? I owe you. I am personally going to tell the MD about you.
Thank you very much. I have to get back to work. Yeah. Damn. I should have told her. I should have told her enough.
Welcome. Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you. Beautiful place you have here.
Thank you. Well, I stay here with my friend. And you are welcome anytime.
Great.
Let me get you something to drink. A minute.
So you intentionally do not respond to my call or my messages. You did not even try to reach me back. No, you didn't reach me back. Anyway, I want to see you tonight. So I'm coming over to your place to pick you up for dinner. Alright?
Ma, person they find you for outside.
Who?
He talk and say his name na Ras, madam. Ras.
Bring him in. Can go eat it. Oh, eat it, hold on. Rex. Rex.
Madam.
Rex. You know what? I changed my mind. Eat it, you can go.
Madam.
I gave you an instruction. I asked you to sell the old trucks. You refused. You kept them, and those trucks are now a liability to me. They break down week in, week out. We are spending company money to maintain them.
But madam, I ordered for new trucks, but I don't know what the delay is for.
You what? You ordered new trucks without my consent.
I ordered for 6 new trucks as instructed by you.
Oh! I'm sorry. Yes. I recall. So why are you here?
Now, please, I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. I promise it will not happen again, please. But do not fire me, please. It's not work of the devil. I don't know why I allow myself to be used by the devil. I promise it will not happen again.
Am I missing something? I mean, who is this?
Madam, she is the receptionist you sacked a few weeks ago. And since then, she has been crying like this. And her mother is very, very sick.
You are the one who's tarnishing the company's image.
Madam, it's not work of the devil. Madam, please, be a good person. The mother will die. Do not fire me.
Please. You are the one who has been tarnishing the company's image. Eat it. Eat it.
Madam.
Give me the brown envelope on my dressing table.
Don't, madam.
You've been the one tarnishing the company's image. You?
Devil is the cause of everything, madam. I will not allow the devil to use me again, I promise. Madam, please. Madam.
Give it to me. Take it. Take it. Go and treat your mother. I do not want to see you in my house or in my company again.
Madam, please. please.
Rex, don't stand there.
Madam, please don't pay me for 2 months, but
okay,
please do not fire me, madam.
Come on.
Please.
Let's go.
Madam, should I come back?
It's okay.
Madam, please.
Francis,
Yes.
do you have a girlfriend?
Yes, I do.
Did you have to tell her to look for somebody else?
What?
You heard me. I mean, you heard me. Hey, I like you.
You see, the truth is, you've been so nice to me. Yes, but I don't think I want to cheat on my girlfriend. I don't want to break her heart. I'm sorry about that.
Oh no, I'm the one who's sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry.
I'm truly sorry.
No, it's really you. I mean, you should.
Beautiful. You are a true definition of an entity creation. A woman got created on Sunday morning, 6 a.m. The presence is breathtaking.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, if you don't mind, can I have a seat?
Oh, sure.
Oh, so are you waiting for someone?
Oh, no, not at all. I come here during the weekend to give myself a treat.
So you are in our category.
What category?
The single soul associate.
How on earth did you come up with that?
Just came up.
You are so handsome. Oh. Anyone told you that?
Yes.
You know what? I do not want to be so loud this night. Don't make me.
I'm sorry. Sorry about that.
Okay, so why don't you go get your drink?
Oh, drink. I think I'm done with that drink.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So, what about you? What are you drinking? Sorry about that.
No. I do not want to be so loud this night.
Sorry.
Okay, so, why don't you go get your drink?
Oh, I think I'm done with that drink.
Oh, yeah?
So, what do you want?
Well, I do not have a favorite drink.
Oh.
Anyone? Cool.
Let me go.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
You were blinded by fantasy love. You were blinded by fantasy love. Better love the one who loves you. It's the best thing to do. If you love the one who doesn't love you, they will end up hurting you. They will turn your world upside down and abandon you with regrets. There'll be confusion and commotion in your life if you love the wrong one. You will make wrong decisions, take the wrong actions just to please them.
Madam, welcome, madam. Madam, welcome, madam.
Thank you, Edith.
Food is ready.
No.
Make us supper.
I'm not hungry.
Madam.
Get. Go, Edith, go.
Sorry, madam.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Wow, this is good.
Yeah. I have something to tell you also, and I believe this is the right time to say it.
Really?
Yep.
What is it?
Promise me you won't get angry.
Why? Why would I be upset?
Do you love me?
Of course. You know that I love you so much. Who you are?
He's married.
Oh, baby, you should have told me so I'll get my nails done. Thank you. Oh my God, this is a oh, I love it.
Thank you. Anything. Yep. I have a note.
Oh, thank you. Another surprise. What is it again?